You have been showing up consistently. You are creating thoughtful, valuable content, and yet the results feel very disappointing. Few clicks, low views, almost no meaningful comments or inquiries. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And today I'm going to show you a free tool that is already sitting inside of your YouTube studio that can change that faster and more honestly than any outside strategy could. You already know YouTube has become a lot harder, especially to break through. What most creators don't realize is that the answer to your biggest problems are quietly waiting for you in your own channel data. Right now, inside of YouTube Studio, there is a feature called Ask Studio. Little sparkle icon in the upper right-hand corner sidebar. Most professionals have never opened it up. Once you do, you get private, exclusive access to insights that no third-party tool can match. Exact comment sentiment, precise retention graphs, drop-off points, true traffic sources, subscriber behavior, and audience demographics. This isn't generic analytics. This is your audience speaking directly to you. The challenge has never been the data. The challenge is knowing the right questions to ask. Without the right questions, even the best AI is just guessing. So you end up following generic advice that doesn't fit your niche, your voice, your goals. You pour months into your content that underperforms, and slowly the motivation just drains away. I have been there. I have been exactly where you are. After 20 years of helping professionals build authentic authority online, I have learned that the creators who eventually succeed aren't necessarily working the hardest. They're making the smartest decisions with the data that they already own. And that is why I created something I wish existed when I started, and that is the Ask Studio Mastery Pack. It is 27 carefully crafted copy and paste prompts that I made organized into 8 practical categories. And if you are serious about replacing your corporate income with meaningful coaching, consulting, or expert work, and you want to do it with authenticity and dignity, then comment the word ready below in the comments, and I will send you the direct links to improve your existing channel and accelerate your second act as efficiently as possible. These prompts are divided for new, growing, and established channels. You will find deep dive questions for hooks, thumbnails, content strategy, audience retention, monetization, weekly planning, and a whole lot more. Here's how simple it is. All right, open Ask Studio, paste a prompt, add a few specifics about your niche and your goals, and you will receive clear, data-backed guidance in seconds. No paid tools, no guesswork, just you and your own channel's truth. The difference is incredible. One good session can save you weeks of misdirected effort. And many of my clients have used these prompts to finally understand why certain videos worked while others did not. And then they doubled down on what actually moves the needle for their audience. My recommendation, friends, is that you make this part of your rhythm. Spend 10 to 15 minutes every Sunday running a weekly check in your prompt. Use your best performing videos as benchmarks. Save the responses and build your own personal channel playbook. Before every upload, run the first 3 prompts as a quick checklist. These small, consistent habits are what separate professionals who eventually build real authority from those who just stay stuck and they're guessing. And your audience has already told you what they want. Your channel data already contains the roadmap. The only missing piece is knowing the right questions. I have put the entire Ask Studio Mastery Pack together for you. It is all 27 prompts, usage guide, simple tracking templates. It is ready when you are. The link is in the description and it is pinned in the first comment. If you want me to send it to you directly, just type the word ready, READY, below. And if this video gave you a new perspective, I would be grateful if you'd leave a comment and tell me which of the prompts that you plan on trying first. I read every single comment. Hit like if you want more practical, no fluff strategies for building a channel that actually attracts the right clients. And subscribe if you're serious about growing your authority and your business the right way. Thanks for watching today. I will see you in the next video. Friends, I am out.